Okay people, time for the epic birthday unboxing. So my birthday was on 20th September, but I'm recording it like today because all of the packages took time to come, and there are a few more packages coming, but I'm too impatient to wait for them, so we're just gonna have to do this now. Okay, so first let's get to the MoYu timer. So this has a picture of the world record single, and it's a cool box. And by the way, the box doesn't come so battered. I've already opened this box. I'm just doing it because it's an unboxing, and it came in a package and stuff, but I'm just going to show it to you like this. Okay, let's turn it on. So this has a triple digit timer which shows us the seconds, milliseconds, and I don't know what's after that, but anyway, so this is the timer. I've heard it has a really cool blue light, so let's do that. Yeah, it has a blue and green light, and there. So it's really sensitive because I just do one finger and it's done, and it closes so easily as well. So that's the MoYu timer. And there's another benefit of this thing, which is that they give us these little things with the mat. So basically what this is for is, I'll tell you. So I'll remove this. If you have a mat, which I do right now, so what you can do is just take this, split it into two, and then you take, there's a hole in the mat, so then you take the hole and you put this little thing like over here and put this in, and then you close the cap. And I've done the same with the other one, and they give you a spare one in case you lose it. So then, as you can see, the MoYu timer has these holes which you can then put inside. It will perfectly fit, and you can't like take it out. The timer will go with the mat if you try to take it out. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, so I can't really show you the camera because I'm recording with the camera. So I got this new camera. Earlier I used to record with my phone, which isn't such a great option. So this is the Canon point and shoot IXUS 230HS. So yeah, that's it. This is the box. All of the other stuff is kept away. So the GANS X was basically, so the GANS X was an advanced birthday gift that I got, and it's super smooth, and it's my main, and I love it, and I've already made an unboxing on it, and it's a really good, it's a really good cube. I currently have the weak magnets, and the magnets can be changed. So cool. Let's move on to the next package. Now we're gonna open this, and this is the only package that is actually like packed up, and I haven't opened it. So I got this yesterday on 21st. It couldn't come on 20th, which was my birthday. And let's just open this, and then we'll talk about the mats. Here we go. I hope I don't scratch my t-shirt. I love my t-shirt. Okay, and it's gift wrap for me. Thank you, Cube Lelo. I love Cube Lelo. They're so good. Oh, and I got another Cubeink Capital discount code. I got my bill that's boring, and my t-shirt is gift wrap. Wow. I love this. This is amazing. Thank you, Cube Lelo. Yeah, there you go. Wow. So this was given to me, this was bought to me by my mom, and I'm gonna wear it on my competition, which is the SMU Autumn Open, which is on the 29th of September in like a week. So let's open the shirt. Hopefully it'll fit me. They have like a really precise size chart. And I also got my name and my WCA ID from the racket. The quality is real nice. Okay, let's open it up. And Vihan Sharma 2019 Shar 13. That's really good. And it's cool. So that's another package out of the way. This was given, so the MoYu timer was given to me by my best friend, and the mat was bought to me by my mom again. The mat isn't actually my birthday gift, but I'm gonna count that because I bought this near my birthday gift, and the texture is amazing. I bought the small size. This can be just bought for 500 rupees from Cubeink, and the texture is amazing. The feel is amazing. So mats are really good for like when you do solves and then you drop your cube on the table trying to start the timer. You can just bang the cube on top without worrying about the cube, because the cube can't get hurt if it falls on a mat. So anyway, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so this is my laptop. This is the Eyeball Air 3 given to me by my dad, and this is amazing. You can switch it to tablet mode. Just a second. You can open it with your fingerprint. Okay, and you can switch it to tablet mode like that. Do you want to switch to tablet mode? Yeah, I want to switch to tablet mode. It's touch screen. Okay, and it's amazing.